Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day 3 of our computer vision series. The link of the playlist is in the description below, so make sure to check out the entire series. So today we're going to talk about a few basic operations that we can perform on the images. We can perform image resizing and we can also perform image cropping, and we're going to learn about both of them today, so stay tuned till the end of the video. So this code that you see over here, if you have not watched my previous video, you can do it by clicking on the top right corner and you will understand what I've done over here. So I will show you guys what image we are going to deal with today. So this is the image that we're going to work on today. So first we are going to resize the image. So to do that, before resizing, let's first print the current dimensions or the shape of the current image. So to do that, I will call the dot shape method on our image, and as you know, our image is a numpy array, so we can call the dot shape method on it. So I will cross this because we are not concerned with that right now, we are concerned with the shape. So this is the shape 614 by 900 by 3, where 3 is the number of channels and 614 is the current height and 900 is the current width. Okay, so now let's try resizing the image. I can resize the image by reducing its size. I can even resize the image to a greater size as well. So it's totally up to me how I want to resize the image, but for now I will try resizing the image so that it becomes half of the original image. So to do that, I will use the OpenCV function which is called as resize. First I will tell what image I want to resize and then I will pass the new dimensions to it. So if I over here, first I have to pass the width and then I have to pass the height. So the current width is 900, so the half of 900 would be 450, and the current height is 614, so the half of it would be 307. So these are the new dimensions, these were the old dimensions. So you have to keep this in mind that when you print the shape, you first get the height and then the width, but when you are passing the dimensions for resizing, you first have to pass the width and then the height. So I'm going to save this in another variable and I'm going to call it as resized image. Okay, so now I'm going to visualize this image as well so that you guys can compare it. So I'm going to call the window as resize image and then I'm going to pass the resize image over here. Now let's see if that works or not. So I'm going to rerun my program and yes, so this is the resize image and that was the original image. So if you can see, this is exactly the half of our original image, and it's not important that you always resize it in correct proportions. Like, it's totally up to you. Like, I can do 450 by 450 as well, even though it is out of proportion, but it will still work. OpenCV will comply to the dimensions that I pass to it. So it's not exactly half, it's not exactly one third, but still it's working because OpenCV will comply to your dimensions or your commands or your functions, whatever you pass to it. So this was all about resizing. Let's talk about image cropping now. So before cropping, let's first again print the shape of the image. So, and we're going to deal with the same image that we were dealing with in resizing. So this is the image and these are the dimensions. Again, 614 by 900 by 3. So to crop that, I am not going to use any OpenCV function, okay, since the image is a numpy array. So I will use indexing over here. Okay, so I will say, I will tell the range of the height and the range of the width that I want to crop out. So I will say that, okay, so the current height is 614, so I want the height from 100 to 500 pixels, for example. So I'm going to pass this. So this is the new height that I would have of my cropped image, and then I will tell the width. So the current width is 900, so I want somewhere between 200 to 700 pixels. I want the new width to be between 200 to 600 pixel. Like, I want to crop out the original image with these new dimensions. So now these dimensions will be saved in the crop image, and now I can use the imshow function of the OpenCV to visualize it. So I'm going to call it as cropped image, and then I'm going to pass this variable, and let's see if this cropping actually works or not. Cropping is different from resizing, you must keep this in mind. So yes, this is a new cropped image, right? And if you place it exactly over here, it actually completes the entire picture. So we have cropped the image. I have cropped the image from like 100 pixels. The height was from 100 pixel to 500 pixels over here, and the width was from 200 pixels, so this would be 200 pixels, to 700 pixels over here. So this is how cropping works, and this is how image resizing works. I hope this was helpful. uh, Make sure to like the video and stay tuned for the next one. Bye bye, see you in the next one.